Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I'm going to show you how you can add websites to the trusted sites in Microsoft Edge browser. Before going ahead, I want to request you, if you are a new user for my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon for new videos notification. Let us start now. So if you're using Windows 10 and if you want to add my sites to the Microsoft Edge browser in trusted sites, so you need to enter here internet option in the search bar, internet option, and then click here internet option. Once you click, the internet properties window will be open. Click on the security tab, then select trusted sites, and here click on the sites. Here already a website is added, so I'm going to remove this, and now you can add the website which you want to add here in the trusted sites. So you need to add, or you need to type here the website, or just copy and paste. So just to show you, I am going to add this website here. Just select and add. Once you click on the add, the website will be added here. In same way, you can add many more websites here. Just you can copy and paste and click on the add, or just you can type here and add. And if you want to remove already added websites, then just select and remove this. So guys, in this way you can add the websites to the trusted sites in Windows 10 for Microsoft Edge browser, and you can remove the websites which are already added in this way. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. So guys, again request you to please subscribe my channel, like and share with your friends. Thank you. Bye bye.